Hey guys, how's it going? My name is Alex from Furnishing Tips. In today's video, we'll be assembling the Ziors heavy duty 14-inch bed frame in twin size with wooden slats. If you guys like this video, you guys like what you see, go ahead and give it a like. If you guys are interested in more videos like this or anything related to furniture, go ahead and subscribe, hit that notification button. If you guys like this product and are interested in purchasing one of these bed frames, I'll put a link in the description down below. Hey guys, so let's go ahead and open up the box and see what's inside. Okay guys, as you can see, everything's out of the box. I'll go ahead and grab the camera, give you guys a good look to see what's inside. Now that we got everything out of the box, I'll show you what's inside. Let's go ahead and start assembling. To begin with, we're gonna do one side at a time. I'm gonna show you the proper way of getting this done. We're gonna need 3 pieces right now and some hardware. I'm gonna go ahead and show you the 3 pieces. First one is gonna be E, marked on the instructions. This one opens up like this. And you're gonna want the leg facing downwards and then these slat holders facing upwards. This is gonna go on this side of the bed. You're gonna need 2 other pieces. You're gonna need leg A as in Alex and D as in Danny. Just be very careful because one of them does have openings for a headboard, while the other one is gonna be at the footboard of the bed. So technically it'll be this way. We are gonna need some hardware with these ones. So you will need these ones and the Allen wrench key. First thing you want to do is extend the leg out. Once that's extended, go ahead and grab D, and at the very end there, so you're going to line it up, grab the camera and give you guys a close-up. Okay guys, as you can see here, we have the end of the railing, and this is going to be letter D. We're gonna go ahead and install this like so. So we're gonna put it first screw on the top and the second screw at the bottom. We're gonna have these 2 openings there. Go ahead and grab the Allen wrench key. Okay, now we're gonna grab the other leg and install it on the other end. Okay guys, we're on the other side now. Let's go ahead and install letter A onto this. Go ahead and grab the 2 smaller screws. Go ahead and tighten it down. Now that we got one side done, let's go ahead and start with the other side. You're gonna need the opposite leg here. This will be it. It opens up. You'll see the leg going down. The slats will go upwards. You're also gonna need these 2 pieces. Keep in mind, you're gonna have C and B. So C as in Carlos, B as in Brian. One thing you're gonna have to notice again, that this does have for the headboard. So this does have to be at the far end, while the one without it's going to be on the footboard end. Let's go ahead and grab the 2 smaller screws again. We'll go ahead and install it. I'll go ahead and grab the camera again and show you how it's done. So what we're going to do is we're going to grab letter C as in Carlos, which has the 2 openings, and we're going to install it here. We're going to use the 2 outer holes, and we're going to use the smaller screws. Okay, once that's on, go ahead and do the other side. Now we're on the other side. I got this end here. We're gonna grab the leg. This leg is gonna be letter B, as in Brian. So this one does not have the holes. This will be for the footboard. We'll go ahead and install it here. Make sure it's at the outer end holes, not the inside holes. This is where the other rail will attach to the other side. Go ahead and install the screws. Okay, now that that's done, let's go ahead and move on to the next step. Now that we got both rails assembled with all 4 legs, making sure that the headboard legs are in the back and the footboard legs are in the front, we're going to go ahead and install the cross beams. Both of them are identical. I will show you how it looks. We're going to need some screws. I'll go ahead and show you which ones those are. We're going to be using the longer ones, which will be these ones that are provided with these bolts here. We're going to also be using that right there with an Allen wrench key. So I'll go ahead and grab the camera and give you a close-up to show you exactly how it's done. Now that we have the rails here, we're going to go ahead and install it with these facing this direction. We have the other ones on that direction, so we're going to be installing it this direction here. Okay guys, what you're going to need is, you're going to need the bolts. You're also going to need this piece here. You'll be needing this piece. And you'll also be needing the Allen wrench key. So let's go ahead and insert the bolt on this side. And we'll grab this piece on this side. Go ahead and tighten it down. What you want to do is, you want to grab this piece, put it on the back end here. And once that's in place there, what you want to do is grab the Allen wrench key and you want to go ahead and turn it while you're holding the back piece until it's nice and tight. Once that's complete, go ahead and grab the next bolt, slide it in, repeat the process for this one. Okay, now let's go ahead and install the front leg. Okay guys, now we're going to go ahead and install this one. Go ahead and grab the crossbar. Remember to grab these pieces facing backwards. Go ahead and get it in place. Go ahead and insert the bolt. You can go ahead and put both in. Go ahead and tighten it down from the back. Once that's in place, go ahead and grab your wrench that's provided with your Allen wrench key. Repeat the same process. Okay, let's go install the other 2 legs. Now we're on the other side. Let's go ahead and install these 2 bolts. Okay, let's go ahead and move to the front. Okay guys, we got 2 more here. Let's go ahead and line these up. Let's go ahead and go to the next step. As you can see now, we have all 4 legs on. We also have the cross member in the front, the cross member in the back here. We're gonna go ahead and install the middle section now. This is the piece you're gonna be needing. This piece is gonna go here in the center. You're gonna need 2 bolts here. Basically, you're gonna need this longer bolt, and you're gonna need the nut there. It's gonna go ahead and screw in. We're gonna go ahead and put it in. Okay guys, as you can see here, I got the cross member. I went ahead and lined it up. As you can see, bolt that goes on the top there, like so. And then at the bottom there, we'll be installing a bolt there. Okay, now that we got that in there, let's go ahead and use the smaller end, get the bigger end, the smaller end. You're gonna use that to hold the bolt at the bottom. Your Allen wrench key, go ahead and tighten it down. Once that's complete, let's go ahead and do the other side. Now we're on the other side. Go ahead, grab your bolts, Do the same thing here. Let's go ahead and do the final step here. Hey guys, as you can see, we have everything put together here now. The final step now is to add the slats onto the frame. It's a pretty simple process, so let's go ahead and get that done. Okay guys, as you can see, the bed's now complete. The only thing left